Stock market secrets, what you need to know. While many people are intimidated by the stock market, this intimidation is largely due to a lack of knowledge. If you are one of those people, there is no need to fret over lack of knowledge or to allow yourself to be intimidated. The below video has lots of advice you can utilize in order to have success with stock market investing. Consider getting some good software that specializes in investment management. It really does not cost that much and it will help save you a ton of time trying to learn how to properly do things. Look into getting one that can help you with profits and losses and one for tracking prices. Educate yourself about basic accounting principles, the history of the market, and how to read and understand annual reports. While you don't need to be a professional accountant to participate in the market, this kind of knowledge will help you make the smartest investment decisions, based on your goals for investing. When picking stocks, find a strategy you enjoy and stick with it. For instance, you may choose to ignore the market's behavior for the most part and focus only on a company's earnings potential. Once you settle on a personal set of rules, you can seek out prominent investors or financial gurus who share your philosophy, and you can learn from them. When it comes to investing, make sure you're educated. Learn the basics of accounting and stock market history. If you're not educated, you won't be able to make money and you'll look like a fool. You don't need a 4-year accounting degree or anything fancy, but take the time to learn the necessary information. The knowledge you have just acquired can only be used to your benefit when you apply them and take risks. You will need to take a chance and try your best to invest your money wisely. The truth is, you're going to learn the most about how to be successful through experience, so the sooner you start, the sooner you should see success. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.